Let's take a look at worked example number 2 here. We're going to do it slightly differently. In this first equation here, oops, that's not what I want. In this first equation here, I'm going to just do a simple XY chart. I'm going to say find those intercepts easily. When X is 0, it looks like plugging a 0 there, Y's got to be a -3, so that'll be at 0, -3. There's a 1 point for this one. Do the same thing, but set Y equal to 0. When Y is 0, X is 3. That's a pretty simple line. When Y is 0, X is 3, that's here. So you can see what this line is going to look like. And I'll try to draw as straight as I can, but I may not be perfect with this. But there you go. There's my straight line. You guys should be using a ruler, but I'm using this technology, so I can't really use a ruler easily. So there's my best line. Okay, the other equation, let's take a look at that real quick here. Do the same thing. I'll do it in red. Okay, and so I'm just going to set X equal to 0. When X is 0, Y is 3, right? -3 on this side because of the negative side, so Y is a +3. So 0 and 3, there's 1 point. Now if I set Y equal to 0, what happens here? 7x must equal -3. Therefore, x has to be, I think, -3/7 if you do the quick math there. So I think it's a -3/7 for x. Let's double check. -3/7 times 7 is going to be -3. Y is 0. So -3 is -3. This does work. So where is that point? Y will be 0. In other words, it'll cross the x-axis. That's where y equals 0 when x equals -3/7. So here you go, -1 minus a half would be there. -3/7 is just under the halfway point. And again, drawing my line as best I can. It's going to go through there, it's going to go through there, it's going to come down here, it's going to keep going down here, and it's going to hit somewhere down here. And my squiggly little line there looks like these two intersect at -1 and -4 for my ordered pair. Okay, so let's test that theory real quick here. Let's not forget here. We can test this blue one here real quick. If I take the blue equation down here and plug it in, okay, -1 for x, minus a -4 for y. Yep, -1 plus 4, because this makes it a plus, equals 3. It works. Okay, let's try it one more time for the red equation here. Okay, double check, red equation down here. Let's just rewrite it. And so that was x minus y equals 3. So I'd go a -1 for my x, minus y, which is a -4. Can't write very well. But here you go, -1 minus -4. It's the same as the one right above it, and it does work for both. So in fact, this is our ordered pair. If you had a ruler better than I was doing here, you'd be able to draw straight lines and verify that this was -1, -4. So with graphing, you tend to see problems that have to have a good solution. You can look at it on the graph and get it. Okay, in other problems, elimination and systems of equations, subtracting or substitution, you should be able to find exact answers from the math. With graphing, hopefully they give you a point that meets nice and neat right about here. Okay, hope that is good enough to help you understand it. Thank you.